This is exactly how to fix your V720 app not working. So what you need to do firstly is to close your V720 app, and instead we're gonna go to the settings app on our phone here, as you can see. Then just scroll down and click on general and then click on storage right here. And now what you need to do is to just simply wait for all of the apps in here to load, and after it's done, you have to click on the search button here, as you can see, or the search bar here, and then just search V720 here and click on the app. Then you have to click on upload app, and once again in here click on upload app. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the reinstall app. And now just simply wait for, sometimes by the way you have to click on the app as well to be able to force it to update. I don't know why, but sometimes you have to click on it. But you can see here it says loading now, and it means that you're going to now get the absolute most up-to-date version of the V720 app. So try this, and once it's done, go back and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.